If I was to sum up the company in one word, it would be courageous, striving to move forward at all times. The way we see this in manufacturing is everything is far more concentrated. We're reducing our packaging footprints. We're increasing the effectiveness of the product and reducing the size. My name is Jonathan Callan. I'm production manager for the mixing department. That involves producing all the liquids for Fernox. As a company, we very much value our staff. On site here for Fernox, we produce 1.2 million bottles a year. These range from 100 ml to 1,000 litres. There's 30 different products, which we fill into 140 different varieties. We fill 1.2 million litres to 2 million litres of liquid a year for Fernox alone. Continually pushing forward to improve our environmental footprint, increase our efficiency and quality to the customer. We do that through trying to use less energy, create less waste, and this to me is very much supported by Fernox as a business, and in their 60th year I think they've shown they're a sustainable company.